So in talking about lighting control, one of the things we always like to push with our clients is these big open spaces, or even just a small intimate space like this, having a keypad, when we get the whole keypad and done and engraved, it'll say exactly on the keypad what it controls and what load or scene that'll control inside the house. Benefit of that is, you have a nice, sleek, clean look versus just a big bank of switches. So I'm going to show you, another example of a bank of switches, and how, unattractive it looks, but also how unfunctional it can be sometimes. So here's an example without lighting control, what you're going to end up with controlling separate loads in a room. So you have just standard switches that are going to turn on individual loads when you press them. Again, I have no way of knowing what those turn on unless I actually press a button. And because we've got 6 different loads we've got to control right here, we have a bank of 3 switches here, a bank of 3 switches right here. And then when we come across the room, we've got another bank of 2 switches over here, another bank of 4 switches right here. How much real estate this takes up on the wall versus that keypad we looked at. And again, I don't know what these control without having to flip the switches and press the buttons. And I have no scene control. So if I wanted to turn off all the lights in the room, I have to just hit every single button to turn those off.